Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an easy one. We're going to replace this hood strut on my 01 Golf. This one's just a little bit tired and worn out, so we're going to go ahead and replace it with this one here. I got this from idparts.com, Lesjofors. These guys have been around a long time, good quality stuff here. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, if you look at the bottom here, this is held on to the body of the vehicle right here. So if you get a screwdriver and just pry this little metal clip out like that, it will release, and then the top one has the same exact setup. If you break it, don't worry about it. We have a new strut ready to go. Okay, that one went flying, which is okay. I'll get it later. Now, make sure you have one hand on the hood, and you can pop this out of here like that. And same thing with the bottom. And that's it. Set that aside. And that's what it looks like once it's out. Same with the top right there. Now we can go ahead and get our new strut and install. Okay, here's the part number for the new spring, or strut, whatever you want to call it. And I already removed it out of the package here. Here it is, right beside the original one, the Stabilis brand one. I believe this is OEM. I've never replaced it since I've had the vehicle, but I'm not 100% sure that this was replaced before, but it looks to be original, because this vehicle was made in Brazil. There's the Volkswagen part number, that 1J0823359B. And looking at these side by side, it looks like they're almost identical. The bottom here is a little different, as you can see. This is angled here, and this one is not, so I don't know if that'll give us any problem or not, but we'll go ahead and see. Okay, we're going to take our new strut here and simply push it on this bottom mount and lift the hood up. Just simply pushes on, and that's it. It's good to go. Let's make sure it opens and closes nicely. Shuts well. That's good. Go ahead and open it up. Very nice, goes up on its own. I like it a lot better than the other one. Excellent. Alright guys, hope the video helped you out. Hit the like button if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.